Hey, good morning. Today is 19th of August. Today I'm getting a feeling that I'm starting fresh after the long fiasco. I think last 1 week I did a lot of over trading, a lot of mistakes, and yeah, the losses were huge. But at least I'm getting an opportunity to restart. Yesterday I've exited all my loss making trades. Biggest one was the ITC, which I exited for 9.5 lakh of loss, and overall things have settled down. Yeah, coming back to here is my position as of today. I think I'm still holding around 4 lakh rupees of options. Adani is is my favorite all time, so I'll keep buying whenever I see it. So yesterday I bought for around 3.8 lakh, and then SBI still I like the options of SBI, right? So I'm still holding around 4 lakh of options here, and here are my favorite list of stocks which I try. And just one point to notice here: nothing of it is like an advice or a suggestion. I'm just sharing my view, my dashboard, what I trade on, and what I like. And I am not a I have my own style of trading. I have my own intuitions and research and analysis, which I do, but nothing on a typical market standard practices, right? So this is what I'm trying, and till now I was trading till last day I was mostly trading F&O on stocks, but yesterday and today I'm just learning Nifty index trading, and maybe I'll try Bank Nifty as well. See, initially I was mostly trading on stocks, but then recently I've moved to F&O, right? So this is my latest status. You can see currently I've exited everything, and this is my latest fund. I'm still holding around 46 lakh of cash plus 84,000. So after these positions, if you look at here, I have just taken a mutual fund of 5 lakh. This was also taken 3 4 months back, and here is a growth 54,000. Now I have pledged these mutual fund as well to get more collateral. That's why you will see from 46,000 to 46 lakh to another 4 lakh collateral available. So overall, I'm still holding with around 50 lakh of margin or cash balance, and you can see my verified PnL here. If you look at it overall, it's still on a loss of 23 lakh. I've told you I was earlier trading on equity, and it's only been 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or maybe from mid of July that I started trading on F&O. And equity, I had made a lot of good trades, but then at the end it was slightly on losses, and it was mostly on losses because of a lot of charges. If I look at, still my trading will be on a profit, but then since I traded a lot, and even on MTF, the charges plus interest, everything accumulated, and then this is where you can see some interesting trade here. Look at the Cupid, which I bought for 78 rupees, and look at the quantity, and then the buy value was for 1.21 crore. Today the price of Cupid, and if I would have holded this, what is it? And this is all about trading. This is all about share market. We can always think of if you hold something and what it would have been today and things like, but the decisions that you make at the time needs to be right. And I made a lot of again, in equity it was my trial trading days. I was learning a lot of stuffs, and I bought a lot of shares, and for just for trying, and then exited them. I'm not sure what is this share, but look at the percentage of growth. I was just trying. I bought one share for something and then exited. It's like 10,000% growth, right? These are all trials on the screens which you can see, but yeah. And if you look at here is my F&O PnL, and here are my favorite. And yeah, you can see here the Adani share, why it is my favorite. Overall, I've made around 9.5 to 10 lakh rupees profit on Adani so far. That's why it's my all-time favorites. And here are my other trades which I've taken where I've lost money. I don't want anybody to refer these. I would have made a lot of mistakes. I would have learned from it. This is not a suggestion. Nobody should follow these. And these are the typical trades which I do. And then I'm still on a loss of 23 lakh as of today. And then my single day profit was around 6.7 lakh. And yeah, my highest single point loss was around 18 lakh, which I made on HCL Technologies when I was trading on equity. Yeah, so this is what it is. And if I look at the statement of funds, I think I'm not sure why it's showing 48 lakh here, but then yeah, maybe around there some more settlements needs to come. Yeah, so overall I'm still getting a feeling like I'm just restarting, almost exited all my debts, and then I'm going to be more careful. I've learned a lot in F&O trading, and then Nifty and other index trading I'll just try it on very small basis. I've learned a few steps and how to start it very well. So yeah, so it's a good to start. It's a fresh day, and then things are settled. I think I'm off from my tensions. I don't need tensions. I'll go very very slow, careful, and as of now, I'm just looking at few stock options plus some trials on Nifty and other indexes. Let me see how it's all going. These are just my learnings. I just wanted to share my transparent trading experience. I'm I'm just new. If you can look at here, I just started trading in this year 2026. Maybe I actively tried something doing February, and then this where it is. In fact, June end to July, it was a lot of green here, and then I tried making some mistakes. Yeah, the overall thing is like, can you avoid the losses, and then you're on a better slate. So going to be more careful from now, and probably let me see how the day is going today. I'm thinking better on Adani, and then hopefully it's going to be a good day. All right, thank you. See you all. I'll keep updating. My idea is to share transparently and frequently about my experiences. A lot of them will be mistakes. My effort is to try and cover as much mistakes, and then go on a good note. At the end, yeah, so we'll have to prove, or we'll have to enjoy the trading, in fact, without taking too much of tension, and then keep going, and at the end maybe make some profits as well, which will be happy to see. I just wanted to see these or get rid of these red lines or red numbers, and then get on the green, and hopefully I'll be able to come back very very soon. All right, all the best for everybody. Thank you.